She's very good. The young lady plays like Joe DiMaggio. Nah, she's right-handed. Anthony. Hey, Mark. 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 Book her up.
What?
Book her. She's good. Whoa! Very good, very good. Look at that. Terrific. Terrific ball player. There goes Max.
No, I don't think so.
Max is getting away. Come on. Home run. Max, get in there. Let me see you hit the ball. I want to see you hit the ball. Come on. Oh, Will, look at Karen. Look at that. Okay. There goes the pitcher. Strike one. Hey. Home run. Oh, strike out. Strike her out. There goes Will. Will. Where? Logic. Unbelievable. Kid's unbelievable. Very good.